What's good? Welcome back. As you guys can see for the title, today I'm doing my makeup rehab series where I share with you guys my Empties purchases, PR, and pans that I have. So I have all my products in front of me. I did not do this last month if you are curious because it was my free month. Month of June was the 1 month where I let myself do whatever I want since it is my birthday month. So we are back. We're being held accountable once again, and I have quite a bit of things to share with you guys. So if that is something you want to see, stay tuned. Guys, so where did we leave off in May? So in May, we started out with 23.5 points, or credits, I should say. 23.5 credits. I did do a haul in the month of June, and there was a little bit of straggler at the end of the month that I did get for my birthday. So I did not spend anything as far as money-wise until the Sydney Grace Christmas in July sale. So I don't have any of those products, but know that I have shopped in the month of July, but none of those products are here. I did shop like I think 3 of the days. So I will be deducting points next month for the purchases that I did do this month, because other than that, I didn't buy anything. We were so busy being outdoors, enjoying the outdoors. My kids were in camp for about 2 weeks, and there was a lot of things that were used because there was a lot of like arts and crafts, drawing on themselves, that kind of stuff. So we had a lot of campers that were using some of my stuff. So I ended up looking out, getting stuff used up that I didn't care for as much or didn't mind them using up. So I have a bunch of stuff that I want to share with you guys. Okay, so let's start out with our PR and gifts. These are things that are not held against me. No points are taken away, but I do want to share them with you guys so you are aware what exactly is being brought into my collection. So first and foremost, I do not count anything besides makeup, but I did want to share with you guys that I did get a package from Peach and Lily, which I think is awesome. They sent me 3 different products that I am in the process of testing out. And then I will let you know in the future video what exactly it is that I like about them, don't like about them. I have used Peach and Lily on my own as products with purchases and things, and I really have enjoyed their products. So far, I'm digging these. So thank you, Peach and Lily, for sending these my way. I'm very excited because I get to try new skincare, and you guys know I'm really into skincare lately. I'm just trying to take care of my face so then the makeup looks really nice on my skin. The other thing I want to share with you guys that I did get as a gift, this was literally the last day of June. I got this. This is the Anastasia Cosmos palette. I wasn't interested in it, but it was something that was given to me. Unfortunately, it was sent broken, so I had to fix this shadow, this shadow, this shadow. But overall, it isn't too bad. I have been playing around with it, and I actually am shocked at how much more warmth it has than I expected. I was expecting this to be more of a cooler tone palette, hence the reason why I never went for it. But now that I have it, I really do like it. And these shimmers on top are really pretty. This blue one really sparkled. I did wear that one day. So I did get this. I just wanted to share with you guys. So you'll probably see this in a future video. I'll use it in a get ready with me or something. But I do have a long list of palettes that I do want to use on camera for you guys. But I have been playing around with it and do like it. Obviously, I do like the formula. So I wanted to share that with you guys. I also got a Merit package. I got the Glass Skin, which I have already used up a full bottle of that. But that is skincare. I wanted to let you guys know that I did get this bronze balm. I have used all these products already on a Get Ready With Me. I'm hoping it's already up by the time this video goes up. I ended up getting the bronzer, which I've never tried. I've tried their blushes, their lip products, skincare, mascara, foundation. So this is new to me, and I really like it. It's very natural. I wore this on camera as well. It's very natural, very beautiful on the skin. I have yet to test it though as a no makeup kind of thing, which I will do since this is the time of year I do that more often. So I will be doing that. Today I'm actually wearing something else, but I have been playing around with this one. So again, you'll hear my thoughts on this one. And if you want to see it being used firsthand, I would suggest watch that video as well. Last thing I also got in PR was this from What's Up Beauty. This is their new mascara in the name, obviously, Watch Me. This is a mascara that has that 2 different kind of style wand. It's like a comb on one side and volumizing on the other side. I like I'm wearing it again today, and the more I'm using it, the more I like it because it's getting drier. The only thing is that I feel like it weighs my lashes down. Like I'm already seeing my lashes and they're already droopy. And some mascaras don't do that. And I don't understand why this formula does that. That's the only thing. You'll see it again in the Get Ready With Me, how I used it, but it's still doing the same thing. And that's the one drawback of this mascara on me. This is very personal. It's a really good mascara. The weight of it's really nice. The packaging's really nice. I love the wand because it gives you versatility. I love the fact that I could do it on my lower lash line. It's just for whatever reason, it weighs down my lashes, and I don't put layer after layer after layer. It just weighs them down, and it doesn't look as curled as other mascaras do. So I'm still testing this out in hopes that as it gets drier, it gets better. We'll see. So that's the last thing I got in PR. So I ended up getting a few things, not much, and that is counting June and July. Because I don't get much PR, but when I do like to share it with you guys. So obviously that does not hinder my points at all whatsoever. So purchases, let's move on to purchases. I've already mentioned to you guys that I have purchased a few things in the Sydney Grace Christmas in July sale. None of it has arrived. So unfortunately, obviously you can see as the date goes, I don't have it yet. So it'll be counted in the month of August. I'm not going to get upset about it. I'm not going to just start pulling out points now, even though I don't have the products with me. So I'm going to hang on, leave that alone. And as of this month, we're just going to have 0 points being deducted for purchases because I don't have anything that I actually did purchase on hand to share with you guys. So we're going to move on to pans. Pans. I have 2 pans to share with you guys today. My pans are half a point that gets added to my bank. First one was from this Persona Identity. I hit pan on this one in my Pan Those Eyeshadows about 2 months ago. So that is a half a point that is being put back into my credits, as well as my Anastasia Riviera. I was able to hit pan on that shadow right there. Beautiful inner corner. I really like this one as an inner corner highlight. So each of these are 0.5, which means a total of 1 point will be brought back into my bank, which goes from 23.5 to 24.5. So like I mentioned, this month we had a lot of empties because a lot of young kids, young campers, the theme this year was all board games. So they had all different kinds of board games. Sorry, Monopoly, Go Fish, Mousetrap, Uno, you name it. That was the theme. And they had a few days where you had to decorate yourself, your clothing, come dressed up as your game. So obviously you guys know I have 3 kids and all 3 kids participated. So we went through quite a bit of shadow sticks, including some of the campers that were friends of my kids also wanted to participate. So I have a lot of cream and shadow stick empties to share with you guys, a ton this month. So we're going to run through these quickly. Half of these I can't even tell what it was because it's now been a few weeks since they did that, and I don't remember the name. So I'm just going to go through these rather quickly so you guys know in total how many I used in the last month. So we have Bobbi Brown Golden Pink. This was a mini. We have a Stoned of Hard Candy. That was a gray. We have Laura Mercier Golden, which was like a yellow. Pink Ink from Hard Candy. Mally Topaz. This is the only shadow stick I used from beginning to end all by myself. No one helped me with that one. We have a Avon shadow stick in Violet, which is a dark purple. Rose Gold by Laura Mercier. I have quite a bit of minis of those. J-Cat Shimmer Stick in Golden Hour, which was like this kind of like a taupey color. Bubbly from Hard Candy. We have Avon Shimmering Sand. This was a Smashbox one in a dark brown. Don't remember the name. This was a Nude Sticks in this shade. I don't know the name. It's been officially worn off. We have Nude Sticks in Copper Foil. A white one, which a lot of people use, that one. That was from Milani, and this one's also from Milani, this like rosy gold color. We also have this Nude Sticks. Again, I don't know the shade of it, but that's the color of it. And then 2 pots. These were old G ones, guys. These are from Benefit. This, I mean, like, I'm talking old, but they were super creamy and worked so well to like etch out things. I use these to like outline a lot of things for the kids in Holy Smokes and Skinny Jeans. They were like these dark charcoal blackish gray shades, so it worked out perfect. I was able to fill in lines, fill in details, shadowing. Awesome. Like, these came in handy. So in total we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18. So we have 18 in total. Let me double check. I thought I had 17. Double check. 2. Yeah. All right, so we do have 18 in total. So that means we have 18 empties this past month. I told you guys. I even ended up using some of my water colored base gel liners. Like, I have these palettes where you use water base to activate them, and I used a ton of those as well, but they obviously are still usable, so they're not empty, so I'm not touching those here, and I didn't hit pan on any of them because these all came in handy for all those board games. So we're adding 18, you guys, 18 credits back into my bank. So we're at 42.5. That's where we ended up this month, 42.5. Now, that's a lot of credits into my credit bank, you guys. And again, it's because my purchases for this past month have not arrived. A lot of those points will be gone next month because you will see that I did purchase quite a few things from the Sydney Gray sale. So I will be deducting quite a bit of points for next month. So don't think like I'm hoarding these credits or anything. Yes, there are things that are going to come. Unfortunately, they just did not arrive in time for me to share with you guys for this month. Obviously, the month of August going forward, it'll be like the holiday season. I'm trying very hard to not spend a lot of money in the next few months. Christmas, between Christmas, back to school shopping for the kids and all the things that they're going to need. There's a lot of things that we have on deck that we need to get. So I don't see myself buying a ton, but I may get a few things here and there throughout the next few months to review for you guys, things that I actually want to have that are holiday, maybe holiday kit or something. I don't see myself going crazy, so I don't know. 42 credits is still a lot. Like, that's a lot for me. But again, it's just, I didn't count anything that I got for the month of June, and I've been really good at not buying stuff and using up a ton. This was a lot, and this was a lot of help from the kids. I mean, there was in total 250 campers overall within 2 weeks, and the 2 weeks I was involved. So it was a lot of use that I got out of these, and it lasted because they were going through like the color run, they were doing water parks, they were doing getting soaked and wet, and these things last. These things like set hardcore, so the kids loved it because they were able to show off their designs and things, and it was a lot of fun. I saw them decorate themselves, and it was safe stuff that they were using and not necessarily like permanent markers or pencils or pens kind of thing. So anyway, that's all that I have for you guys. That's what I have for my makeup rehab. What do you guys think? How are you guys doing? I am sweating as we speak right now. It is hot, and I am dying to turn on this fan. So I'm going to let you guys go because I got to go. So more videos on the screen for your enjoyment. Until then, adios.